Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to use Instagram emoji slider. For that we need to go to Instagram account, and here we need to go to your story. First click on here, I will click on plus symbol, and I will click on story, and I was taking a dark image, and here we will see the emoji after text a symbol. After we have the emoji symbol, click on that on top side. So scroll it, lightly scroll it down. Here we have a emoji slider. Beside the piece we have a emoji slider. uh, Down of the pole we have a emoji slider. Click on that. So here you need to ask a question. I was clicking how was your day. I was typing how was your day. So you need to click on done. So if they like awesome means they will do some which they want. So I was putting a story. After that click on your story. So they will show the answer. I was clicking like this. So my day was like this. I was clicking like that. So you can use your